Hey, what's happening, guys? So we've got a Wickes multi-tool 300 watt. It's got universal blade fittings, variable speed, rubber mounting grips. Back of the box reckons you've got this in it. Okay, a little bit of that and that. So important health and safety enclosed. Read the manual. You want to read the manual. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. So we got the power cord, one user manual, and a whole bunch of thickness. Wooden plastic, no idea, and then for a bit of sandpapering. And then these ones here. Nice. Oh, and an Allen key to loosen it up. But yeah, that's my Wickes multi-tool. I specifically bought it to be able to cut metal. I'm hoping to get hold of some nails over there, but fingers crossed it can even take it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've got any comments, if you want to know if this was a good purchase or a waste of money, drop a comment down below and I'll happily comment for you.